Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed. Welcome to our comparison video of metal versus wood raised garden beds for the school project. Watch until the end to find out the best choice for you. So the main difference between a metal and a wood raised garden bed is durability. Metal garden beds are more durable and have a longer lifespan than their wooden counterparts. Unlike wood garden beds, they are resistant to rot and insect damage, making them last for years. Therefore, a metal raised garden bed is better if you want something more durable. Ease of assembly. Ease of assembly is a key factor when making a school project, and metal raised garden beds are more straightforward to assemble. Building a wooden raised bed can be cumbersome since it involves getting lumber and the tools to assemble it, which requires carpentry skills. In comparison, metal raised beds are easy to assemble since all you need is a store-bought garden bed with instructions. Therefore, metal raised garden beds win this category since they are easier to assemble. Affordability. Wood raised garden beds are more affordable than metal ones. This factor contributes to its popularity. Its low cost is also a result of being highly available. Unlike metal, wood can be easily found in places like forested woodlots and local hardware stores. You can also repurpose old furniture. Wood raised beds win this category since they are more affordable. Insulation. Wooden raised garden beds are better since wood has better insulating properties. They help keep the soil at a consistent temperature throughout the year. Metal garden beds can heat up in hot climates, raising soil temperatures and potentially damaging plant roots. While heat retention can be beneficial in colder climates, it's more likely to cause harm than good in a hot environment. This makes wooden raised garden beds better in this category. From the table, you can tell that metal garden beds are lighter and do not require treatments, so they are safer for your plants and soil. However, they might have sharp edges and are not easily customized. On the other hand, wood garden beds are easily customized, have no sharp edges, and hence fewer accidents. Their drawbacks are that they are too heavy to lift, and some wood treatments are unsafe. Verdict. So, which one is better? Both raised garden beds are good. Your choice will depend on your needs. Wood is a good option if you're on a tight budget, do not live in an area with extreme temperatures, and are looking for something less permanent for school. The assembly process can also be fun if you're into DIY. On the other hand, metal is an excellent option if you want something durable or assembled quickly. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. Also, let us know which other comparisons you would like to see next from us.